Hello young learners, how are you? Hope you are keeping well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am with you Md.Monjur Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, Belcho High School. At first, I would like to thanks all my well-wishers and all the viewers of this whole world or in our country. Dear viewers or learners, today I have selected a very important class named Transformation of Sentences. Dear students, it is the very important topics for the students of class, both the students of class 9 and 10. So, I hope if you beside me till at the last point of my class, I am sure you must gather vast knowledge on these topics. No more talking. Dear students, we know that there are 5 kinds of sentences based on the meaning, but today I would like to discuss about the sentence which are defending or which are based on the structure. We know that there are 3 types of sentences based on structure. Number 1, simple. Number 2, complex. Number 3, compound. Firstly, we have to know what the simple sentence and what's the complex sentence and what's the compound sentence. Then we have to try to our level best to transform from simple to complex or complex to compound or compound to simple. Then for this reason, we have to know what is the simple sentence. Simple sentence, a simple sentence contains only one principal clause, and complex sentence here there is a principal clause and one or more than one subordinate clause or dependent clause. And compound sentence, there are two types of sentences here, but both of the sentences must be principal clauses. Just to remember, you have to learn some features of these sentences. A simple sentence, a sentence which contains only one subject and only one principal verb, that's a simple sentence, such as I am an English teacher. I'm an English teacher. It's a simple sentence because here subject is only I and it is the one subject and am is the principal verb here. So, and a simple sentence must contain only one subject and only one principal verb. That's a simple sentence. And complex sentence, a complex sentence will receive or will contain more than one subject and more than one principal verb. It's a complex sentence, such as if you study hard, you will get GPA 5. If you study hard, you will get GPA 5. Here we see there are 2 sentences. Firstly, if you study hard, it's a sentence because it has a subject and a principal verb, and there are another sentence we can see here, you is a subject and will get is a verb. So this sentence contains 2 subject and 2 principal verb, but for this so we have realized that a complex sentence must contain at least 2 subject and 2 principal verb, and it will receive or it will contain a subordinating conjunction. Here we can see if is the subordinating conjunction. So complex sentence will receive all the time a subordinating conjunction. And in compound sentence, the definition of complex and compound sentence about the same, but here there are two clauses, and two clauses must be a principal clause. But here a principal clause and a dependent clause or subordinate clause. But in compound sentence, both the sentence must be principal clause, and it will receive, or it contains only one coordinating conjunction. That means a complex compound sentence will receive a coordinating conjunction, such as study hard and you will get GPA 5. Study hard and you will get GPA 5. This sentence is compound sentences because here we can see there are two clauses here. The study hard, it's a principal clause, and you will get GPA 5 is also a principal clause. So these two sentences has been added with the and is the coordinating conjunction. So we have realized that a compound sentence must receive all the time a coordinating conjunction. A compound sentence is not imagined without coordinating conjunction. Here you can ask me what is the subject, what is the two subject here, because we know that complex and compound sentences must receive at least two subject and two principal verb. Now you can ask me this type of question, where is the subject here? There is no subject here because it's an imperative mode. Study hard, it's an imperative mode. We know that in imperative mode subject must be silent, such as if I say anyone come in here, you is a subject in silent mode. That means in imperative sentences subject must be silent mode in all the time. So you can guess here, you study hard and you will get GPA 5. Clear? So it's a compound sentences. Till now we have realized and we have understood that what is simple sentences and what is complex sentence, what is compound sentence. Now for your better understanding I am repeating this. A simple sentence, I am repeating some features of simple, complex and compound sentence. Simple sentence, only one subject and only one finite verb. Simple sentence which contains only one subject and only one finite verb. But complex and compound sentence will receive more than one subject and more than one principal verb or finite verb. But in complex sentences a subordinating conjunction is needed. In compound sentences a coordinating conjunction is needed. Now you can ask me the questions, what is the subordinating conjunction and what is coordinating conjunction. So now I am going to write subordinating conjunction and coordinating conjunction. That means a complex sentence will receive a subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction is if, though, although, since, as, when, what, whom, who, which, where, when, why, how, while, that. This type of words are considered as subordinating conjunction. So if we find out if we find out in sentences of any word from here, it will be considered as it will considered as a complex sentence. But in compound sentences, there is at least one coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction and, but, yet, or, not only, but also. This type of word is coordinating conjunction. So if we see any word from this in any sentences, it will be considered as compound sentences. Dear students, today we have realized, or we have understood that what is the simple sentence and what is the complex sentence and what is the compound sentence. The compound sentences. We have known, or we have understood the definition of simple, complex, compound. Now I am going to discuss, or I am going to share with you about how to change from simple to complex and complex to compound. Just I am trying to share with you some ground rules of simple, complex, compound sentences, such as if you work hard, you will shine in. If you work hard, you will shine in life. It's a complex sentence because this sentence contains more than one subject and more than one finite verb. So it's a complex sentence, and we can see if it's a subordinating conjunction, and this sentence contains here with if, so it's a complex sentence. Now we have to change this sentence into simple or compound sentences. In simple sentence, if any complex sentence contains if the sentence is in affirmative mode, when we change this sentence into simple sentence, we have to start this sentence with by. Simple. By. Then we have to find out what's the principal verb of here. So we can see work is the principal verb. By is preposition. We know that if any verb used after preposition, we have to add ing form at the end of the verb. So work will be working. By working, then the rest of the sentence will not be changed. By working hard, you will shine in. By working hard, you will shine in life. It's a simple. It has been changed into simple sentences, and we can see here you is the subject and will shine is the principal verb. So if we want to change this sentence into compound sentence, we have to start this sentence with verb. Firstly, we have to find out what is the verb here. If we change this sentence from complex, so we can see here work is verb, and if we want to change the sentence into compound sentence from simple, firstly we have to find out what is the gerund double word, and here we can see working and work. From here, if we cut out ing, then it will turn into verb, and in compound sentence I have to start the sentence with verb. So work is verb, work, and the rest of the sentences will not be changed. To work hard and you will shine in life. Work hard and you will shine in life, and will be used at the place of comma. and will be used at the place of comma, then it will be a compound sentences. Here we can see and is the coordinating conjunction, it has been used here, and here shine is a principal verb, work is another principal verb. Here we can see there are two principal verbs in this sentence, and the definition of compound sentence is right here. So it is rule 1. From this rule, if we see any simple sentence is started by, if we want to change this sentence into complex, we have to start the sentence with if, and we have to make this sentence is in affirmative mode, because in simple mode the sentence has been started by. We are going to another rule. If any complex sentence contained if or unless, and if it is work as a negative mode, how shall we change this sentence into simple or compound sentence? So now we are going to see that. Complex if you do not work hard, you cannot prosper in life. It is a complex mode, because here we see that there are two subjects here, you, and here two principal verb, prosper and work, and this sentence in this sentence if has been used, and if is the subordinating conjunction, we know that. So it's a complex sentence. If we want to change this sentence into simple sentence, firstly we have to write without, because here if this sentence has been used as negative mode containing if, we know that if a complex sentence containing if is a negative mode, if we want to change this sentence into complex simple mode, we have to start the sentence with without, and if without is a preposition, we know that after preposition any verb must receive all the time ing from. So we can see work is verb, work is a verb, so we have to add ing from of work. Without working hard, you cannot prosper in life. Just the rest of the words will not be changed. So it has been simple. And compound in compound sentences, we have to start this type of sentences with verb. For this reason, we have to find out what's the verb here. We can see work is the verb, work hard, or you cannot prosper in life. Work hard or you cannot prosper in life. Or must be used instead of comma in compound sentences. So I have discussed, or I have tried to my utmost or to my level best to discuss or to share with you how to change from simple, complex and compound. Just I have discussed with you only two ground rules of this of simple, complex, compound. Now today I want to finish this class. Inshallah I will discuss about many other ground rules of simple, complex, compound sentences in my next class. Okay, Allah Hafiz.